Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a project and track time in Zoho Books step by step so you can manage your projects efficiently and stay on top of your budgets. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or managing a team, this guide will make your life a lot easier. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Zoho Books website and sign in. You can use your Google account or another sign-in method you prefer. Just make sure you select the account associated with your Zoho Books. Once logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Next, locate the Time Tracking tab on the dashboard. Click it, and you'll see the time tracking interface where all your projects and logged hours are managed. Within time tracking, click on Projects. This section lets you create, manage, and monitor every project in your account. Click the Create New Project button, which takes you to the project setup page. This is where we'll enter all the details for your project. Start by giving your project a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to identify. Then, assign a unique project code, which is especially helpful if you're managing multiple projects. Next, link the project to a specific customer. Select the billing method that suits your agreement, whether it's hourly or a flat rate. Add a brief description of the project goals, set up cost and revenue budgets to track your expenses and profitability, and break the project down into smaller tasks to make progress tracking easier. Once everything looks good, hit save. Your project is now live and ready for time tracking. So why go through all this? Setting up projects in Zoho Books helps you track time efficiently across tasks and team members, manage budgets by keeping an eye on expenses versus revenue, monitor progress so nothing falls behind, stay organized with all project details in one place. With everything centralized, you'll spend less time managing and more time actually working on your projects. And that's it. Creating a project in Zoho Books is simple, but once set up properly, it makes a huge difference in your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 Zoho Books tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.